I just got a job at McDonald's. Really? That's so swag. Swag!
What's 9 plus 10?
21? Hey man, where the fuck is Mario Judah?
You know what? I can't take this assault right now. I need to blow off some steam.
Mario, what the f are you doing? You can't start. Why not, Luigi? Because he's 14!
Two bros chilling in the hot tub.
Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker.
9-volt. We're playing Wii Sports.
Awesome! Oh, yeah!
Ah!
Tails, you can't stop meowing. This is too cute. Tails, can you stop meowing? This is too adorable.
No!
Tails, why can't you stop meowing, baby? I love hearing those sounds.
Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker. You eat all my beans?
Get the fuck out of my room and play Minecraft! Nice to meet you! My name's Miles, but you can call me Tails. Do you like my hair? Isn't it pretty?
Shut the fuck up. No one cares about your robot fanfiction. Know your fucking place, trash.
Bitch, I hope the fuck you do. You'll be a dead son of a...
I'm glad to meet you, Winnie. Let's be friends. Michael is my super best friend. He likes my hair, and he says I'm a cute, handsome one.
My name isn't Little Girl. It's SAVAGExKID the Great, so you should just call me SAVAGExKID the Great.
Luigi time!
Aha! Look who you have, Waluigi.
Luigi time!
Now what do you guys want to do?
Bing, bing, walla, walla, bing, bong.
Shut the fuck up.
Hi, Tails. Are you meowing over there, baby?
Michael, I want a hug from you.
Sure. Tails, I love you. Yes, I do.
Shut the fuck up. No one cares about your robot fanfiction. Know your fucking place, trash.
Aren't you my sweet and handsome boy? Tails, can you stop acting like a cat? You silly little boy.
No!
I love you so much, Tails. I will always love you forever. 9-volt, you're so sweet.
Bruh.
Thank you, Tails. I like it when people say that I'm handsome.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
9-volt. Remember last year when Parappa was holding Tails in his arms? Yeah. Even though Parappa hates me and Steve, he gets along with Tails really well.